Visiting an auditee's location is crucial in the audit process. Follow best practices for a smooth, safe, and productive audit. Before the visit, confirm you have permission to access all relevant areas within the audit scope. Obtain information on security protocols, health and safety regulations, and cultural norms. Confirm with the auditee that required PPE will be provided for the audit team. Clarify mobile device and camera use rules, always considering security and confidentiality. Ensure individuals are aware of the audit's objectives and scope, if the audit isn't scheduled. Minimize disruption to the auditee's ongoing operations during the on-site audit. Ensure proper usage of PPE and communicate emergency procedures clearly. Plan communication activities to minimize interference with operations. Adjust audit team size according to the audit scope to minimize disruption. Do not touch or manipulate equipment unless explicitly permitted. Request permission before taking copies of any documents and consider confidentiality. For virtual audits, ensure the team uses agreed-upon remote access protocols. Ask for permission before taking screenshots and avoid recording individuals without consent. Review incidents with the auditee to decide on audit continuity. Maintain respect for privacy and proper information management post-audit.